Now turning over to meteorologist Caitlin Harvey. What are the roads and how's the weather looking like this morning?
Well, we are starting off pretty cold this morning, so unfortunately still tracking some of that ice, especially over all major mountain passes. This morning, again, taking a look at these temperatures, coldest to get you started on this Boxing Day morning for Siskiyou County. 22 degrees in Montague as well as Mount Shasta City. Meanwhile, 20s and lower 30s for the Klamath Basin, just hovering right above that freezing mark, though, as we work our way into portions of our west side valleys. For the coast, starting off cool, 44 degrees, and that wind chill, unfortunately, really dragging most of us down. Feeling more like 18 degrees this morning at Chemult, feeling like the upper 20s in Medford, lower 40s, upper 30s out along the coast. So definitely wanting to bundle up, packing those scarves, hats, extra blankets as you travel over some of our passes. Again, even the Siskiyou Summit looking at some patchy ice there this morning. Otherwise, planning your day out the door west of the Cascades. We're only getting up into the 30s and 40s today. Still tracking plenty of clouds here this morning. Those could prove rather stubborn, especially for the Grants Pass area. May keep temperatures just a bit cooler as we head into this afternoon. So working our way out along the coast, back into the upper 40s and lower 50s for your Thursday. Expecting mostly sunny skies and gusts up to about 20 miles per hour by this afternoon. For Northern California, light winds today with highs into the upper 30s and low to mid 40s, all with mostly sunny skies and finally getting that chance to dry out. For portions of the Klamath Basin, back into the 30s today. 35 are high at Paisley and Lakeview and 37 degrees at Klamath Falls, all with light winds and mostly sunny skies this afternoon. Dry today, but still slick on those roadways for the Cascades and Siskiyous. 34 your high today at Lake of the Woods and 45 degrees at Butte Falls. Back into the low to mid 40s this afternoon for the Rogue Valley. Expecting mostly sunny skies later this afternoon, but still very cloudy throughout this morning and even into the first half of this afternoon for Grants Pass. Now, as we do head into this evening for Grants Pass, out at Riverside Park, we're seeing a first annual menorah lighting for Grants Pass starting at 4 o'clock tonight. We'll get that chance to see some sunshine by 4 p.m. Clearer tonight and cold temperatures do move in by 6. Still into the mid-30s, all before freezing fog moves in. Now here's a look at your latest Stormcast models. Looking dry today and dry tonight, but by the early morning hours tomorrow morning, could see a few snow flurries as we work our way into the Cascades. Do think we'll stay mostly dry, though. Dry for your Friday. Dry for your Saturday as well, but take a look at that system just offshore. That'll continue to work its way eastward by Sunday, bringing another chance of rain and snow with those snow levels falling to about 4,000 feet. So still best time to travel today and for the first half of your weekend. We'll see that chance of rain and snow arrive Sunday, which could add a few extra inches of snowfall even up for the Siskiyou Summit. So planning accordingly as we head into the last week of 2019. Dry today out along the coast with highs back into the lower 50s. For Northern California, 42 your high today with mostly sunny skies. Tracking that potential for freezing fog and black ice by tomorrow morning. For the Klamath Basin, 37 your high today, still staying dry and tracking that chance of snow by Sunday. Another chance of snow by New Year's Eve and New Year's Day as well. Dry today, but still a bit slick for the Southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. Highs only right near freezing and 44 this afternoon for the Rogue Valley. Dry, but seeing a few stubborn clouds for parts of Josephine County.
So if you do plan on getting out and traveling, make sure you drive slow and just kind of watch the roads.
Definitely a good plan.
Awesome. Thanks, Caitlin.